Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will share our first impressions and what's in the box video about the Google Fitbit Air. So let's check it out. Google Fitbit Air is not officially launched in India, but I got this from the US. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out if you're interested. The box is already opened for verification, so I'll just share what's inside the box. The packaging is very minimal and compact. We got the obsidian color. They also have other colors like berry, lavender, etc. But the tracker is the same black color. We can get other third-party bands for this soon. So I will remove the packaging. Here it says works with Google Health. Let's open this. So this is the tracker. Let's remove this. And inside this we have the charging dock. That's all. And I think this is the user manual. Okay, some cards. So these are the items we have inside the box. This is the charging dock. We don't get any other adapter for this. We can simply use our mobile adapter for this. So yeah, this is the Google Fitbit Air tracker, the first screenless tracker from Google or Fitbit. Remove this. This is the tracker. So yeah, looks nice. I have to be honest though, when I first saw this color online, I thought it will be completely black. For some reason, it was looking like that. But no, this looks like more like a light dark gray color, but looks nice. Is this a competition for Whoop? I don't know. This is more like a budget version for beginners, I would say. We are planning to make a series of videos related to this. So please do subscribe to get notified about them. In our next video, we will see how to connect this with our smartphone. I think this band is called the Performance Loop Band, made from recycled materials like nylon, etc. And we have this stainless steel buckle here. We can see that. I would have loved to get the silicone band for this by default because I sweat a lot. So maybe in a few weeks, I'll know if this is good to go. So this is how it will look on my hand. This almost feels like a normal band. It's not like there is a tracker inside. It feels so light. Having a tracker band this minimal helps me to wear a normal watch in one hand and this tracker band on the other hand. It won't be too flashy. I already use our OnePlus Watch 2R for basic health related stuff. I go for walking regularly. Sometimes I play badminton and do some workouts indoor. So I am excited to try this further and see how it benefits me. So this is our first impressions video about the Google Fitbit Air. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.